Now that you know that you've bought your brand new Cutmaster Plus, either 30, 50, or 70, you see what's inside the box, well, let's install your consumables now. So you've got the torch out of the box, you're ready to put the consumables in. The first piece you're going to put in is the electrodes. The electrode snaps in there. That's a patent of ours called Sherlock. So you notice the torch doesn't allow that electrode to fall out. It locks in place. Same is true with the start cartridge. So when I press that on, doesn't fall off, right? So pretty cool. Nice patent that we have there. Then you have either the cutting or the gouging consumable. That's the nozzle. So that nozzle is going to slide on there. And now you have the option between your standard or your max life. Max life is going to give you the option of having a shield that allows you to drag against the surface of the material. So if I install my max life, right, that's going to go on there just like so. And then you notice I've got the exposed nozzle still. I'm going to put the Max Life shield cap right on there. Now that's going to give you that option to drag against the surface of the material. If I wanted to install a gouging process, right, the only change that I have to make really is switching to the gouging nozzle. So I'm going to take the cutting nozzle off. Here comes my gouging nozzle. Then if I wanted to use, say, the unshielded retaining cap, right? That's what that's going to look like. Now I can go to gouging. Gouging, again, I'm not cutting through the material, I'm pushing the material off, right? So that's the gouging process. I do have a gouging setup for the Max Life. And so if I were to switch to that, all that stack up stays the same. This, I'm going to switch out to the gouging shield. That goes on there like so. And then the retaining cap goes on like that. And now that's ready for gouging, right? So I can even drag or touch right on the metal with that. Okay? Okay, last piece that I haven't put on yet, and then you see at the very end there, is this standoff guide. So whether I'm gouging or cutting, right? I'm going to switch back to cutting again. You can see how easy this is to switch processes. That's my standoff guide. So the standoff guide just presses on, right? And now I can drag right on the surface of the material. I've even seen people cut this off so they can do a severe bevel angle, right? But importantly, that's keeping that from touching, but I can see what I'm doing as I drag against the surface of the material. So that's the variety of consumables. That's how you get them installed into the end of your Cutmaster torch. Go check it out at a distributor today. You're going to love it.